sounds of ed. Ed says ed, like he wanted a computer. Wanted, waited, floated. Ed says d, she played hopscotch. Remembered, opened, changed. And ed says t, he missed the bus. Talked, walked, liked, watched, jumped, worked, helped. Okay, remember, there are 3 sounds of ed.
The lizard looked around. Looked sounds like T. Sounds of ed. Ed can make 3 different sounds: ed, t, or d. So let's read these words and write what sound we hear. Called, I hear d. Fixed, I hear t. Painted, I hear ed. Loved, I hear d. Used, again, I hear d. Okay, your turn. Grab a whiteboard. Practice writing what sound you hear.